TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Astra's up 145, Nasdaq's up 27, S&Ps are up 13.5. Gold contracts trading up $10.60 at 11.88. We have silver up 7 cents at $16.03. Platinum up $10 at $1,117 an ounce. Light sweet crude up $1.39 at $61.53. Bonds. The bond market, folks, continues lower with volume. You get an ABC structure on the way down. We have the 10-year down 10 ticks, 125.29. 30-year down 27 ticks at 148.09. And that 30-year, folks, is heading to the 140 level. That is will bring rates up much higher. King Dollar. King Dollar's giving it up. King Dollar's going after an ABC structure on the way down. That's down a half a penny or 582 ticks at 94.58. The euro is up 37 at 113, and the yen is down a penny and a half, trading at 122.69. Now, let's get over and we take a look at the S&P. If we start with the SPY, what you're going to see is this. The SPY out here this morning, you get a small bump up. You're at 210. We're up 155. What I expect you're going to see here is that this is right about where this market's going to turn once again. It can get to about 210.20. And I expect what you're going to see here is it's going to be lighter volume. This is the B to C of an ABC structure on the way down. And don't be surprised if the market today actually can't even hold the gains that have been done thus far, because all we actually have just done is take back half the last couple days downdraft. And the NDX 100, what do you have with the NDX 100 now, which is intriguing? This is one of the weaker indices now, when in fact it was the second strongest indice. The small caps are the strongest. The NDX 100 right now, if we look at the Qs, is up 66 cents. That number doesn't look like it's going to hold at all. More than likely, what inside of that, what you have, the culprit is the IBB. Now, the IBB is only down $2.11 right now. But what you do have is that you get a few other equities inside of that, the biggest one being Regeneron, down $21. That is affecting the NDX 100. Inside the NDX 100, what is driving it lower is Regeneron. That's down $21. You have Tesla down $6. Amgen is down $3.58. And Vodafone is down 43 cents. So you can expect the NASDAQ 100, that's going to be your weakest indice out here today. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? What you have with gold is this, folks. Gold is moving higher, and you get volume behind the move. We're up $10.80. We're at 11.88. We've done 79,000 contracts thus far. That's saying gold is making its move. We're at 11.88. Gold is making its move to 12.32. We'll see if we get any juice at that 12.32 area. Next stop on gold would be the 12.04. Right now we're at 11.88. We take a look at that silver market. Silver also is moving with velocity. Silver this morning is up 8 pennies. We have volume out here of 23,000 shares, contracts rather. Silver needs more strength, and silver has to get back inside the 1648 area. Now let's go over to King Dollar, because King Dollar is ruling the markets, ruling the bond market, ruling all of the above. The King Dollar right now is down 567 ticks. It has already taken out the swing point that was generated out here on May 4th, and it's going to have that. They're going to take it out with volume. Right now we're at 47,000 contracts. That only needs 62. It'll get it. I suspect what King Dollar is actually doing is going after a much larger ABC structure on the way down. That number is down there at 93.17. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
If you're like me, you see the world's emerging nations as a very real opportunity, as these countries and their economies are developing right before our eyes. And you can rest assured that Everbank has spotted this opportunity too. In fact, they have just released the second running of their 5-year Market Safe Futures Economy CD. This is a CD that could really deliver, but you only have until June 11th to take advantage. Consider the facts. If the future economy's currencies beat the US dollar over the CD term, you'll get all of the upside at maturity. And should they lose, no worries. There's zero downside risk here, as you get back 100% of your deposited principal. Don't miss out. The June 11th funding deadline is quickly approaching. So hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN-CD for more information, including important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN-CD. Everbank is an equal housing lender and member FDIC.